everyone and welcome to English with Aga. In this video, we're talking about will and shall in English. We will also talk about shall I and shall we and the difference between shall we and can we. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and get your free English grammar booklet from the video description. I will help you and I shall help you. There is no difference in meaning between those two sentences. They mean the same thing. I will and I shall is a spontaneous decision that we make. It's not a plan. It's something that we decide at the time of talking. I can see that your bag is heavy. I will help you. I shall help you. I decided this spontaneously right now. So there is no difference in meaning. The only difference is that shall is a little bit more formal, a little bit more literary. So you might see it in novels, for example, but it's not very often used in everyday conversations. So when you're talking about a spontaneous decision, you will most likely use will. I will help you. If you want to use shall, you can use it with any person. You can say she shall help you, we shall help you, and the form doesn't change. Now, shall I and shall we have a different meaning to what we were just discussing. So, shall I and shall we are used to make suggestions. Shall I help you? I want to suggest that I help you. Shall we go to the cinema? I want to suggest a cinema trip. I want to know what you think about it. Compare these two. Shall we go to the cinema? Will we go to the cinema? Shall we is a suggestion. I'm asking whether it's a good idea for us to go to the cinema. I want to suggest that we go and I want to know what you think about it. Shall we go to the cinema? Will we go to the cinema is a question about the future. I want to ask whether you think this will happen. Will we go to the cinema today or not? I want to know about the future. I want to know what will happen. Now, the difference between shall we and can we. So, shall we is a suggestion. Can we is about asking for permission. Are we able to do it? Are we allowed to do it? Do we have permission to do it? Can we go to the cinema? Is it okay if we go? Are we allowed to go? Are we able to go? So, shall we go is a suggestion. Can we go is a question about permission. Now, let's do a practice exercise. You tell me which answer is correct. I can see you're struggling with your homework. Will or shall I help you? Which one is correct? Shall I help you? So this is a suggestion. I want to suggest that I help you. I want to offer my help. Shall I help you? Your bag looks really heavy. I will or won't help you carry it. Which one is correct? I will help you. So this is a decision I have just taken spontaneously. It's not a plan. It's a spontaneous decision. So I need will. I have just decided to help you. I will help you. Shall, can, or will I borrow your book? I want to read it. Let me know if it's okay. Which answer is correct? Can I borrow your book? So I want to know if it's okay. So I'm asking permission. And to ask permission, we need can. Can I borrow it? How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and get your free English grammar booklet from the link in the video description. And I'll see you next time. Bye!